So I found this website where you can potentially earn between 2 to 4,000 naira daily working with your smartphone. On this secret website, you earn between 3 to 20 naira per task you complete, and there is no limit to how many tasks you can do per day. There are 3 unique ways you can earn from this platform. Yes, it's real. So what you basically do on this site is to perform simple daily tasks. Tasks include following people on Instagram, watching YouTube videos, subscribing to a YouTube channel, and even liking a Facebook business page. So on this secret website, you earn between 3 to 20 naira per task you complete, and there is no limit to how many tasks you can do per day. Look at this and see lots of tasks you can execute on a daily basis and earn money from each and every one of them. I will tell you everything you need to know on this website to make money for yourself. I will show you how to create a free account, step by step how to do this task to claim your money. I will show you 3 smart ways you can make money from this one website. I will guide you step by step how to create a free account in few minutes. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. What I do on this channel is to show you various ways you can make money working from the comfort of your home using just your smartphone. So if you are interested in learning how to make money online and offline, then go on and hit that subscribe button and bell icon beside it so you get notification each time I publish new videos. Besides, I want to be your friend, so connect with me by subscribing to the channel. This is a website where you can earn 2 to 4,000 naira daily working with your smartphone. All you need is to have a smartphone. It pays in naira, so it can pay straight to your bank account once you complete the task. Interesting thing is that you need to earn just 1,000 naira to start withdrawing your money from this website. Now, in case you're wondering, are there people already working on this platform and making money? Yes, there are. If you look at this, you see the level of activities going on here. They have executed over 185,000 campaigns. Over 6,000 businesses are on this platform looking to pay you to do the task and earn from them. And then they've paid out over 100 million naira to freelancers. So in this video, I want to show you how you can partake in this 100 million naira sharing that is going on this website. There are a lot of interesting things about them. First is that they accept diverse talents. So it doesn't matter the talent you have, you are needed. You can earn money from this platform. They're also efficiently effective. And finally, they are transparent. This is the part I love so much, which means once you earn your money, it will be sent to you. Now, the question is, how do I create a free account for myself? I'm going to show you that in a moment. Before I show you how to create a free account, let's talk about how to make money from this website. There are 3 unique ways you can earn from this platform. The first one is to get paid to do simple tasks, which includes but not limited to following people on Instagram, liking a Facebook business page, subscribing to a YouTube channel, and other minor tasks. For every task you execute on this platform, you earn a specified amount of money, which you go on to withdraw straight to your bank account. No PayPal issues. So if you have few minutes to spare on a daily basis, here is the platform where you are going to spend those minutes wisely, make money while you do that. If you look at this, you see a lot of daily tasks that are open for anyone and everyone to execute. You also see the amount of money you make at the end of each and every one of them. So completing tasks is one of the best ways to make money from this platform. Second way you can make money from this platform is to give people tasks. Yes, and I'm going to explain that for you in a moment. So let's say you are a social media manager, you are a brand manager, you are that person that helps businesses, brands, individuals to grow their social media following. You come on this platform, you charge your clients a reasonable amount of money, come on this platform and get people to do this task for a token, you go home with a lot of profit. This is something I think you should look into. There are lots of businesses, entrepreneurs, personal brands, influencers, people that are trying to grow their social media following, and they need this service. As a smart person, reach out to these people, let them know that you can help them grow their social media following, help them get engagement on their posts. Go on and build them a good amount of money. Come over here and get people do this task for you. This is where you come in, and it's so easy, it's so simple. You don't need any past experience to get this done, and you make way more money using this strategy. The third way you can make money from this platform is referrals. So on this platform, you get paid a percentage each time you get people to join the platform and create a free account. So let's say you bring in one person today to create a free account. Each time this person completes a task, you get paid a certain percentage of money the person earns from this platform. This one is one of the easiest way because you don't have to do any work to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to get your referral link. So let's go on and create a free account first. So to create a free account, all you need is to come over here and click on this button that says freelancer. Click on get started and it's going to open to this page. Come over here and fill your email address, your password. This space, you're meant to put in my name. Just go on and type Amaka here and then click on register. It's going to bring us to this next page. So this page requires you supply your personal information, which includes your name, your last name, and your mobile phone number. Then you click on next. A code will be sent to your phone number. Go on and supply that code. Once you are done doing that, you can now go on and submit your social media details like Instagram. So once you're done creating your account, you need to come over here and see your dashboard. I've already earned 6 naira from this. I see available jobs you can complete today and earn money from. Each of these tasks shows you how much you can earn. For every one you complete here, you earn that amount of money. And these tasks are updated on a daily basis. Click on this wallet to see your earning balance and what you have completed. To add your account details, you need to come over here and click on this button here, bank account. Go on and click on it and then you add your bank. Add the name of your bank. Once you earn up to 1,000 naira, you can go on and withdraw this money to your bank account without issues. Now, how do you get your referral link? You need to come over here and click on this button that says invite. Scroll down to this place and copy this referral link. Anytime someone signs up using your referral link, you earn money from that. Now, I know you have a lot of questions, and all the answers to your questions are all contained in these frequently asked questions. So go through them and get all the answers you need. Create account right now using the link in the description. This opportunity won't make you millionaire overnight, but it will definitely earn you money here and there to take care of your urgent 2K needs. So in my opinion, it's a good side hustle because it doesn't cost a lot to get this done and earn the money. And the fact that it pays straight to your bank account, no hassles, makes it a better option. The name of this website is called SideGig, and the link to create a free account is contained in the description of this video. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.